Uh,
Bro, I'm telling you.
Sir,
on my book I've kept it.
That's what I'm telling. So that
This is water.
This water is not sugar water. How will it come through the water? Can it go?
wait, what is it?
East.
Ask me to come inside, no? Ask me to come inside.
He's not coming.
People are shy here to come.
I found my ID.
Arif, I know him.
What was missing?
Again, the spirit is helping you.
Someone has put it in my pouch.
Spirit.
It's weird.
Okay. So tell me what. Okay. Apart from telling me all these vapor pressure, osmotic pressure, that, this, and all these things. Initially, did they teach you guys something called? Hey, listen, did you guys learn something called as solution, solvent, binary solution, ternary solution, quaternary solution? All these things you guys learned? No. Yes. What?
We learned.
Okay. You guys know the meaning of it?
No.
Then binary.
Sir, 2 carbons attached.
Binary. Carbon is coming in solution.
Sir, something 2, sir.
The mixture of two solutions.
Mixture of two solutions.
Solute and solvent.
HFUC. Q.
Hey, bro, Niyar. Saturday you're coming, college. Bro, fucker, send that tag and that card picture, bro. He didn't tell price today. He didn't tell price, I'm telling you, no, give the thing. You have to make the design. Bro, you can make fake ID.
ID card.
Yeah,
Yeah, head up.
500 it seems.
I can get a uni ID, but I can't make a fake ID.
You get means
Someone's ID tag.
no, not like that.
Okay.
ID.
Listen. So basically, the most basic definition of the concept of solution is nothing but it is made up of solute as well as solvent. Okay. Now, I guess kids enough. I mean, you guys will understand now the meaning of solid and solute. Solvent, no.
Solid.
Solvent is what? Liquid or solid?
Liquid.
Gas.
Liquid and gas, no?
Yeah, it's called fluid, but usually we talk about liquid.
I was thinking out of
You
the
can
box.
mix in gas also.
Think out of the box. What is about thinking? Okay, gas you can out of the box. What shit you're doing? So solvent usually it's a liquid. For example, if you talk about some random flavored milk, okay, that specific milk, the base will be called as a solvent. That specific flavor will be called as a solute or sugar. Okay. So that's the most basic definition. One solid, one liquid, both of them together will make up something called as solution. Now what happens is, let's talk about something called as lime water. Not of it, lime water, not lime juice, lime water. Okay. So basically, the water is obviously the solvent. The particles of that lime, okay, that will be the solute. Now let's ignore lime. Okay, fine. Along with the lime, you also add something called as salt. We'll talk about salt. Some people, they also add sugar. Okay, so if you guys see the first or the second one, the concept of solution will remain true in both the cases because there's one solvent, there's one solute, and there's one solvent here, but 1, 2, 3, 3 varieties of solute. Well, that different how it works. So they're carrying multiple different varieties of solute as well as solvent, which obviously will keep altering the name of the solution. That's very important for us to understand that. Okay, now by chance, solute is 1. I am not telling one part, 1 in number. As well as solvent is 1. Okay, solute is 1, solvent is 1. Totally, how many components? 2 components. Since minimum of 2 components is required for us to call something as a solution, this will be called as the binary solution. Understood? Minimum how many components? 2 components. Now I'll ask you a question. If there's only 1 component, can we use the word solution there? Think? You can't, because 1 component will either be the solvent or the solute. I am telling solution should be a mixture of solute and solvent. It's a and game, not a or game. Remember it. Both of them have to be combined. So the minimum parts will always be 2. 1 part of solute, 1 part of solvent. Now in your syllabus, I'll tell you. See guys, by chance you end up taking. If you guys want to do a little more research about chemistry and get into the pharma industry, you'll obviously take up something with respect to chemistry in your degree next year. Okay. Until then, I mean, in your specific degree, you'll be learning something called as multiple different solvents. Just like the way I added 3 different solutes here, we'll be learning something called as multiple different solvents. Okay, let's not get into the depth of it right now. In our syllabus, we always talk about one part of solvent and multiple parts of solute. I'm repeating that, one part of solvent and multiple parts of solute. In this case, first example is this, 1:1. Next, I'll write 2:1. What's the meaning of 2:1? 2 parts of solute. Guys, 2 part does not mean 2 spoons of sugar. That's not what I'm meaning. I'm meaning sugar and salt. Getting it? 2 parts of solute meaning 1 sugar, 1 salt. That's what I mean. To what? We add that to lime water. Getting it? So if you see here, this is the solvent. This also is a solvent. I'm trying to keep it with respect to 1 itself because in your syllabus only 1 is there. Let's talk about this right now. Totally, how many components are there? 3. So that's why it will be called as ternary solution. Getting it? Now, both of them are there in a syllabus. Along with this, there's one more. Obviously, the part of solid will be one base. Now, to that one base, I might add 3. Look at that specific part there. Salt, sugar, as well as lime. It can also be black pepper and all these things. Multiple different. Have you guys tasted something called as sugarcane juice of different flavors? They add ginger. Ginger can be taken as an example. They add salt, they add sugar, they add pepper, they add multiple different things, whatever powder, this powder, that powder, all the things that they are adding. All those powders will come under the concept of solute. Getting it? So, maximum parts in our syllabus is 3:1. 3 parts of solute to 1 part of solvent. Best example to remember is something called as sugarcane juice. Now, this also is there in our syllabus. Now, you tell me totally how many parts are there? 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 parts will be called as, obviously, quarter. Okay? Quaternary solution. Any doubt there? But, if nothing is being mentioned in your question, for example, let me frame a question. In a ternary solution of something, that time you're supposed to understand that ternary solution means 2:1. But a lot of times, nothing will be printed in the paper. What do I mean by that? They'll be like a solution of something. In that specific case, by default, you'll always talk about the binary solution. So default solution is always binary. If they specify both of them, only then you're supposed to think about that. Any doubt there? No? Can you guys give me a few more examples of solutions? I have a few questions. Can we consider alcohol to be a solution? Alcohol. Think. If it's a no, why no? If it's a yes, why? How is it yes? Why Saba? No, you tell me. I don't know. I'm asking you a question. Alcohol cannot be a solution.
Cannot be a solution alone.
I am telling alone. What's the name?
Only alcohol.
If I'm telling alcohol, bro. Alcohol. I'm not talking about the bottled one.
Yeah.
People pour that into a glass. I'm not talking about that. There's a difference.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
So the packed one, this is the peg one I'm talking about. I'm talking about the peg bottle. Okay.
So that is solution only.
That is
They add-
Solution or solvent. I mean, or solvent or solute.
That
Can it be
is-
solute?
If you're talking about like
Big
Bro,
bottle.
forget about the bottle, bro.
no, wait. You're talking about the alcohol like labs and all, or like
So
other
teacher-
alcohol.
Which labs you are doing by alcohol? You tell little.
No, I'm telling you.
Tell. You're watching this that show, no? What's that show there?
In chemistry,
Breaking Bad.
chemistry,
Chemistry lab, correct.
in chemistry lab, that alcohol you're talking about, like
You tell me, Ra, have you seen alcohol in chemistry lab?
no, I haven't seen, but I'm
Bro,
telling.
in PU lab and all, they won't keep alcohol.
Alcohol.
Hey, they would have kept something called spirit.
That only
Are they alcohol?
Yeah,
99% pure that is.
methanol.
Then that's
That's
a
not
solution.
yes.
That's a solution.
Ethanol. Methanol is poisonous.
That's why I'm telling the peg bottle alcohol is a solution because they purify it and shit. No.
Doesn't
What?
purification doesn't make it a solution.
They add some.
It can be solid also. No,
There is a percentage of methanol and ethanol.
You ignore that, bro. Ignore the process of it. I'm asking you, if I give you that peg bottle,
So
okay, is it solvent, solution, or solute? What yeah?
if you add two
Solvent, not solution.
sir, then
Can't add anything else to the thing.
two solids.
Never tried. No? I'm asking you.
Solution also with
Only solvent.
I don't even
Like two liquids can be a solution.
I'm asking you.
No, I have it.
That's why I'm asking you. Same note in I have. Because you tell I'll add water to it.
No, not
Or
water.
okay, Pepsi. This fellow is drinking one mark.
God.
That's why he's drinking one mark. That's why he's asking Pepsi, Coca-Cola is asking.
You told methanol
If
and
you are give a proper explanation for that, you don't
you
know.
told methanol and ethanol. No.
That fellow, I never told.
Okay.
Useless fellow.
Bro,
He
that is proper, bro.
It is not proper, da.
What is improper?
I'm
What
talking.
you
Let's
drink
talk about
methanol?
that brand Jack Daniels.
Oh.
Okay. Now in that you tell methanol, all ethanol is there. Both of them are there.
Yeah.
But you would do not talk about okay, this is so many percent alcohol. It only means since it is whiskey or rum or whatever, whiskey meaning 40% alcohol,
Okay.
rum meaning 20% alcohol. Example. That's what I'm trying to tell. I don't want the components. Don't go into the depth of it. Now that 40% ready-made alcohol, what you guys are buying from the bar, that is solution, solvent or solute. That's the question. Ask me.
So then, okay, leave alcohol. Milk I'm taking.
I am telling what
Milk I'm taking.
milk example. Okay, take milk and Bonvita. That is a solution.
No, not like that.
Then
I'll answer based on this. Okay. Now I'm taking milk and I'm taking water. Add both of them together. Will that be a solution? Because there are two solvents now. I'm adding two solvents together. Two solvents.
it won't be a solution. It will be called as sol.
solvent.
Sol. Yeah. You
Then
guys don't have a solution.
Then I
Soluble.
think
As
alcohol.
well. It's called liquid sol.
Then
Or something called as aerosol.
yeah.
Aerosol is nothing but a type of sol where two different fluids mix together. Now we're saying liquid. Then this also comes under your category. 30% of methanol, 40% of ethanol mixed together forms a sol. That sol is purified in order to make alcohol.
So,
It's oil. It's not a solution.
It comes in perfume.
Many applications are there. Phenyl, which we use, fragrance is added, which is in terms of liquid, to another liquid. So, what percentage of fragrance, what percentage of liquid, that keeps on changing. You guys use perfumes at home, no? Same thing. They're also don't. I am.
No, I'm not using it.
But liquid can't be called as a solution. It'll be called as salt.
Then I think alcohol is a solvent.
Haven't you heard of people adding sugar, salt, and all to alcohol? I don't know. I'm just asking you.
They add it to be a solution.
I don't know, but I'm asking you.
You're talking about pure
I have not
alcohol.
seen people adding sugar to. I have not seen people. I have not seen. Doesn't mean they won't add. I only see people adding Pepsi.
Drugs.
bro, what?
Are you serious? I have only seen people adding this kind of things.
Yeah.
Pepsi,
Don't add sugar.
soda. Experience soda.
So, he looks experienced.
I think Bajaj is like basic bro.
Sir, I don't drink.
You don't drink, not
Nothing I do.
Hey,
I swear on
What's the difference between brands?
brands I don't know. But I know the difference between rum, whiskey,
the
vodka.
answer question.
Percentage of alcohol. People
That's
tell
all.
that's all. Beer is nothing but alcohol is there, but percentage 6%, 8%, 10%. Vodka is so much more. I don't know the actual percentage, but it's all about the brands. I think they keep claiming that. I don't know.
Claim what?
They claim that higher the price of the brand, better the brand, which means smoother is the experience. No, I don't know the meaning of smooth. Okay. What I understood, what I
Won't
feel
have
is
that one irritating aftertaste. I am
What
not.
is,
I am not telling my friends.
wine. There are multiple things. Fruit wine is there, and you can also add alcohol to the wine to give that kick. But usually it is fruit wine.
So, the
Yeah, so fermenting the fruits over multiple different periods, like say orange 2 years, mangoes, whatever, and then they crush it and to make the wine. That's it.
it's healthy and all.
It is healthy, but you should not add alcohol to it.
Yeah, this is the
But,
point.
But a lot of fakes in Bangalore. You should go to all these remote villages where they actually pineapples and all is very expensive there. I'm talking about wine, but because that is fermented for 8 years, 10 years, can you imagine fermented for 10 years? So they store that and then they make 200 ml bottles and they sell it to you. 200 or 500 ml bottles they sell it to you.
What healthy is that?
Your when you drink that, because it's fermented over a long time, your bad blood gets purified because of the fruit wine. And you are not supposed to take more than 2 to 3 spoons. So literally spoon
Per
one
day.
to per day. So 3 spoons you can't lick this color.
If you drink fully,
If you drink fully, what happens is this part is will start aching. That's completely fine, and your body will start itching a lot because it's fermented over a long time. No, so you're supposed to give it some time to process it, and it improves gut health over a long time. For example, if you take that same thing for 30 days, empty stomach, 31st day, your gut health is like good bacteria in your gut health is increased. So it's biologically proven, but it should not have alcohol.
but
It should be
forming some percentage of alcohol already.
chanceless. People ferment curd at home, no?
No,
Like,
that-
overnight they
yeah,
ferment
keep it
curd.
for 3 or 4 days, but wine
Exactly,
not
exactly.
for long time.
Alcohol over a long time will get spoiled. Alcohol is different. Wine is different. Getting it? So grape over a long time will start adding flavors to it, but alcohol will start decreasing the thing. Okay, so
So this fake wine and shit.
it's only people who do all these. You've seen these movies, they'll bring a black bottle of wine and they cheers and all they do. That's literally fake.
That's champagne.
Champagne is different. Wine they add alcohol to it. 2% alcohol, 3% alcohol, but there is alcohol in that. But if any fruit wine is never sold in tinted glasses. It's always sold in transparent glasses. Always. So glass bottle, if you see it is transparent, it means it is pure fruit wine. If it is tinted, it means it is either grape or grape with alcohol. One of them. Okay. Grape also sometimes they tint and sell nowadays. I have not tasted grape wine at all. I've tasted pineapple, I've tasted peach, I've tasted orange, and Malta. There's a fruit called Malta. Malta also I've tasted. It's crazy. Jackfruit I've tasted. Amazing. But grape I've not tasted. But 3 spoons you get it.
We're talking about pure alcohol solvent.
Pure alcohol is solvent, 100%. Okay. So obviously, when I talk about alcohol, it's nothing but a good base. Okay. Solvent. Remember this. Okay. Liquid combination will always cause something. Will always form something called a sol. Okay, not solution. Remember this. Multiple different sols are there. The other day, just now I told you aerosol. Multiple different things are there. You've seen this shaving cream. When you click on that comes with a fizz of that. That also is on one kind of sol. Okay. Gas mixed with something the chemicals part basically. So 2 different combinations will always give you salts. Remember this, very important.
So in this chapter, there's only one solvent.
Salt doesn't depend on this chapter. It depends on a chapter called as surface chemistry.
No, in this solvent part, there's only one.
Only one. The syllabus, but it can be 2, 3 also. But I don't know. Research papers only. But this can keep on changing.
Yeah.
Because I just want to give an example of sugarcane juice. You add multiple different things. Okay. Guys, comment this out.
What is the name for?
Who sprayed perfume today? No, I sprayed perfume. So strong it is.
No smell I'm getting. What shoki you do, sir?
If you are allergic to it, only you get to know the smell, but it's strong.
Allergic to sperm. Today bio class.
Fragrance, bro. It's too strong. There you go. You sprayed, right? 100% spray.
What should I get?
If you spray, will you get the smell? You tell.
You don't get this.
What the fuck?
See, this one of the kids.
Bro, you get.
You get
Sir,
like what
you
I
get,
get,
sir.
For the first 5 minutes, you get.
30 minutes, you like 30% of what you get.
Madhuri, Attar. That's very
I
strong.
will fucking hit you next time. You do the other shit that comes next time. I'm telling you.
Attar is strong.
Wow, so strong it is.
After like the oil, no? Fragrance.
So when you go around these Muslim places and all, how you?
Not everybody sprays use this.
No, these Muslim perfumes are like very strong. Also.
Attar, that's what he's telling. No, Attar only is strong. But lot of these people they don't wear. Usually they don't use Attar. They use oud. Oud is very nice.
Yeah,
Superb it is oud.
It smells like sandalwood.
It smells like earth flavor.
It's
Musk it is.
too much, sir.
Oud.
So, yeah, all of
Hey,
it are in Dubai.
no, oud is very. It's Attar only bloody. I don't know what another they put off bloody. Wow.
My friend, he puts full whiskey bourbon and he comes like, it's not. I'm telling you, the perfume
I know whiskey bourbon. Okay.
from Beardo.
Yeah, bro. Okay, bro.
it's ordinary, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Few people give good reviews. Few people like, what the heck is this?
Non-alcoholic.
Sir, what is the fourth one? Third one, sir. 3:1.
Ordinary.
What's the spelling?
You can spelling for it. I don't know.
Body, right?
Correct.
I-R-A, bro.
E.
E.
Ah.
A, right? Body, Nari, yeah.
Yeah.
N-A-R-Y.
What else? I don't know.
Yeah.
Sir,
Spelling में
ordinary.
ordinary.
Q-U.
But understand,
A-D.
quad or quad both mean same da. I'll give you mark over this.
Quaternary. Quaternary.
Quaternary or quaternary.
D.
That's what. Quaternary or quaternary. Anything is fine. 3:1 total. Fourth part. That's all.
So-
Quaternary.
Quaternary, no?
Yeah.
Quaternary.
Yeah, very good. Marks for correct. Spelling gala, bro. It's chemistry, bro. They don't care about
Very
it.
study English.
So U is.
I'll ask one question. You'll answer no. Why in English? Tell.
Star.
Schizophrenia spelling gala.
Bro, this is what
English halwa do. English halwa do.
No one asked.
I know.
No, you told English. No, tell no.
I
Schizophrenia.
thought you'll ask for something from the book.
Hey, phobia.
Schizophrenia.
Like schizophrenia.
But schizophrenia. Bipolar disorder kind of things. Anyways, forget it. Schizo. But how you write it is with R. But how you tell it is schizophrenia.
I don't remember seeing an R.
It is there.
Yeah. There's something called pneumono ultra microscopic silica volcano.
I have a reference to it, pa.
It's so big, I memorized the whole spelling.
Next second, write down. Polarity.
M.
Yeah, M.
Polarity.
What?
M only, no.
I heard polarity, sir.
Yeah.
See, it's not. I'm not.
Chemistry, like polarity will come.
Sir, that time, brother, we heard mother. Now we are hearing polarity as polarity.
Polarity. Open bracket, caps M. See, definition is not that important, but trying to understand it in terms of numerical is important. Okay, so I'll give the definition. I'll also give an example. Learn the example understand the example. Okay, so first we'll write the. And the spelling that, right?
Sir, you want my perfume? We'll smell that for some time.
Hey, guys.
It smells
Hey.
good. I swear mine smells good.
Give it a say.
Okay.
What starts happening when you smell it?
Headache.
That's all.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's all.
So what?
What? So what? Me?
Drink water.
How will headache will go off? Right. Number of moles. Number of moles of solute. Present per liter of solvent. Okay. Listen. From now onwards, whatever these kind of words we come across, it's always, okay, not always, 99% of the time, it's always a distinction between or a relation between solute as well as solvent. In this specific definition, look for the word solute. Is it there? It's there. Is the word solvent there? Yes. That's why it's called a solution ultimately. Now focus here. On top here, they talk about what? Number of moles of a solute. I write lowercase m. Okay? Okay, let's follow that. Number of moles. Okay? Open bracket, solute. Remember this. Divided by, read the question? The definition. Present in per liter of the solid. Circle the word liter there. Liter. Liter represents always volume. Okay? Forget that. So, volume of the solution. Getting it? Now, this has to be in terms of liters. Very important. Per liter meaning per 1 liter. Understand how things work? So, solute was there. Solvent was there. My bad. Solvent. Okay, was there. So, totally, that's why we talk about solution. Now, this is completely fine. Everybody will mug this up. And what's the short form of writing number of moles? Lowercase m. Okay. Caps M meaning molarity. Lowercase m meaning molality. N meaning always number of moles. V meaning volume of something. Usually it's the solvent. Need okay? Now focus. What if they give you a question like, okay, not a question, a phrase like 2 molar NaOH aqueous solution. This will be a typical numerical. Obviously, that or not completely. Somewhere in the numerical, this phrase will be given to us. Now, how do we analyze it? First of all, this is the most important part. Capital M meaning what? Molarity or molality? Molarity. Molar meaning I am trying to compare moles with some kind of solvent. Now, understand the word aqueous in chemistry always means water. Always means water. In simple language, this specific phrase means I'll take a beaker, okay? I will fill the beaker with 1 liter solution. Why is it 1 liter? Because the definition says per liter, okay? So I'll finish it with 1 liter solvent, not solution, solvent. In this case, what's the solvent? Water. How do we know it? Aqueous, the word aqueous is given. So 1 liter of H2O, I add first. And to this, I'm gonna add 2 moles of what? NaOH. So this in one phrase means this. Understood? So if I take 2 moles of NaOH and drop it into a solution of 1 liter of water, again, solvent of 1 liter of water, this solution, whatever forms, is nothing but 2 molar NaOH aqueous solution. You note that? No? Understood the phrase as to how things work? What is this? I've seen people writing 2m of NaOH. Wrong. 2m meaning 2 molar. I mean 2 molarity basically. Ignore that. I'm talking about 2 moles. 2 moles of NaOH, also called as solute. I'm adding this to water. How many liters? 1 liter. Also called as volume. This combined together will form some kind of solution given by the phrase this. More than this only is important. Numerical it is. Okay? You doubt that? No?
So what do you mean numerical? How is it?
This is a phrase of it. They'll give you something, and 2m NaOH aqueous solution they'll give you. So this itself has a deeper meaning. This is the meaning. You're supposed to analyze that meaning. Okay. So if I ask, just by looking at it, how many moles of NaOH has been added? If I ask you, you'll tell 2. 2. How many? What's the volume of the solution here? 1 liter. What's the solvent?
What?
So all these questions were answered because of one phrase like this. Okay. Write that. Under that, copy this phrase. Also, write the explanation there. Important.
So write that again, no? Uppercase M.
Next one, minimize the molarity. Guys, wantedly I wrote number of moles full form there, but what's the shortcut there? N, lowercase n. Okay, remember that. But next time I'll just skip that and write off n. Copy the phrase. Dr. Ray. Please circle or underline this 1 liter. Very important it is.
Why you're stressing it on?
Next one I tell you. You will get to know the difference right next to this. Done with this? Very fast.
So, few things they use aqueous dash solution. Okay. Something liquid they use. And then before that they add aqueous.
Oh, that means, for example, have you heard of something called as strong coffee and light coffee? What's the difference there?
Concept.
Correct, same. So, if I tell coffee with aqueous solution, it means less amount of coffee, more amount of water, which means the light coffee. Milk basically. Okay. So, lighter you want the concentration of the coffee, you will add 2 spoons of the decoction and all these things, but you'll add more amount of water or more amount of milk. The solvent has to be more. That's the meaning of it. So in this case, whatever solution they're adding it, but what is more in number is the water content. That's the meaning of it. So 90% water, 10% other. Wherever aqueous is there, water will dominate. None of this, guys. Next, we'll talk about molality. Molality representation is M. Now, 1 second, don't listen. Listen. What's the difference between molarity and molality is obviously the most asked question or the most, the doubt there. So you write, first of all, the main difference is the look-wise, representation. But why didn't they choose some other letter? Why did they choose the same letter in the different cases? Because many things are similar. Only one major difference is there. Okay. Now, what is similar? The top is similar. N. N meaning what? Number of moles. Moles of whom? Of the solute, obviously. So I talk about solute. So since I'm dealing with a chapter called as solution, if the top has something called as solute, the bottom has to have something called as solvent. Fine. But the thing here is, have you guys gone to purchase ghee by any chance at in the shops? Either you pay for the packet. Let's ignore that. Okay. Have you heard of people telling what is the price for 1 kg of ghee? Have you heard of that? They usually won't ask 1 liter of ghee. They'll be like 1 kg of ghee. So if you think, see, it makes sense if you ask what is the price of 1 kg of butter, because that's solid. It doesn't make any sense if they ask 1 kg of ghee. Why do you think they're still asking that? Because the same butter is used to make that ghee, and moreover, ghee is not completely liquid. It is called as a molten state. Okay, molten state is not completely liquid. It is semi-solid, semi-liquid, that kind of thing. That's why if you see ghee there, until and unless you heat it up. The moment you buy from the store and come, you see that amount of viscosity to be there. The thickness of the liquid is still there. That is because, because of the state called as water state. That's the reason we prefer using the word kg over liters. Okay, a lot of things. Have you heard something called as crude oil? Crude oil. On all these shares and all these things they keep doing. Crude oil is also measured in kgs. Okay, crude oil measured in kgs. What else? Many other things which is solid, which is liquid, but yet measured in kgs. All the difference is because of what's that? Castor oil. You guys use it for that. Use that thing for first year syllabus experiment. What's that? Viscosity experiment, where you guys took the metal ball and dropped it. That if you see the thickness of the liquid, if the liquid is thick, it means it is molten in nature. If something is molten in nature, we always prefer to use the kg denotation compared to the other ones. Okay. Now here, but always understand, whenever I use the word kg, don't you think the unit will be mass? Fine. So in the previous case, we were comparing number of moles with the volume, 1 liter. But here I am comparing with mass. So I write mass of the whom? Solvent. And this should always be in kgs.
1 kg.
Per kg. You know that? Understood why I was stressing so much on 1 liter? It's volume here. It's mass. Right? Do not use any denotions for mass. Write it as mass itself, because mass usually is lowercase m, but we are doing chemistry, which means it is taken by molality. That's why. What? Of solution. The denominator. Chapter of the solution.
So I think even in that PDF, it's something like that.
What solution?
That one you sent here.
Solution, like the denominator.
I'm
don't
not
think
sure, but it wasn't.
That's it.
And moreover, in the denominator, I saw mostly solutions in it.
Auda. Solutions are there. Once I do the next concept, it will come. But now, till now, this is solvent. If I tell 2m NaCl, let's decode this. This will be obviously.
You won't mention in 1 kg.
1 second. Yeah, there's nothing mentioned of solvent because you can't take water because water is not molten. Okay, so what does 2m? Read that 2 molality. Okay, basically. Okay, we'll draw a container. We'll fill the beaker or the container with some kind of solvent. Wait, what's the thing of the solvent? 1 kg. 1 kg of solvent. We fill it, and to this, how many number of moles are we adding? Perfect. 2 moles of what? Please write the statement. 2 moles of NaCl. If you are able to decode these phrases, CET also becomes much more simpler. So they try to add 2 moles of NaCl into a solvent which is 1 kg of mass, which has 1 kg of mass. Same thing. 2 molar, meaning this one.
Molar and mole the same.
No. Molality depends on number of moles. Moles is what you get done in 10th standard. I get a number.
We use
Stoichiometry.
small m for molality, also moles.
N is for moles.
This is 2 m or n.
Can you, I will slap you now.
N.
M, yeah.
2 molar NaCl.
That's what I was asking.
This is moles.
That I understood.
Yes.
That I didn't know if it was n or m.
That's the phrase. 2 molar. I will slap you. Prajay.
Sir, m means we put 3, no sir.
No, I put what? 2 and a half. I put
Yeah. Not even 2 and up, 2 and quarter.
water only from that time. I didn't know. It's only definition. Ratio of number of moles by mass of.
Like, will they ask what is molality?
So
My
you
teacher
told
knows that.
you told you will give that some 2-page PDF for each chapter.
You know.
Bro, then
I
why
finished
did
algorithms now. Now today I started with this. You know.
you saying we finished that? No.
Which one? Algorithms. ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ first ಗೆ.
Bro, rather than going through everything, I'll just go.
That's why not. That is only for board exam. I'm telling you right now.
Not for first duty. It's board
Ah,
paper.
correct,
Board
correct.
paper.
Not for CET.
Not CET.
Really? Very. Date over what ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What answer?
Sir, isn't malt in like hot shit.
Molten lava
Bro.
meaning lava is hot. Molten is the state. Molten
What
state.
is magma?
Same, but in that layers are there, multiple different layers. Magma is thicker, but it is not solid. It flows.
At room temperature it flows, right?
Yeah.
But this one, key be solid in room temperature.
What?
Key will be all semi-solid in room temperature.
That's why it's molten.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
You don't eat ghee at home.
Me.
Yeah.
He's biting while you have key.
You should have ghee.
I know.
That's what I'm trying to ask. I don't like ghee, but I'm trying.
Early in the morning, 1 liter of one glass of milk, add ghee and drink.
I
I'm
don't
very
say
serious.
peanut butter or feta.
No. Like,
Bro, plain milk and
Add sugar. what would I
You
fed?
actually
With dosa, I have it, sorry.
Ghee. Yeah. That's on the dosa only, no?
Only that I have
Ghee
for
and
now.
milk.
If you're bulking, you should drink.
Bro, milk,
You have seen
Bournvita
that.
is enough.
Bournvita is fake, bro. Don't drink all those things.
Then what plain milk is?
Don't drink milk only, actually. But since you're
But I'm
bulking, you're
working
doing
on
that,
it, no?
that milk is bad.
Bad.
Bro, you told if you walk out, it's fine.
Exactly, the workout is
I
fine.
work out.
But the cut is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
That's why people are lactose.
Hormonal
Anything pa.
Normally also.
Normally also it affects.
Every
Hey,
day.
common sense, bro. Milk is from the cow.
Yeah.
Cow produce milk to give it to its calf.
Yeah.
Are you the fucking calf?
No.
Then what? Because
But it's normalized.
Bro, it's not only normalized, it's like you're pushed to have it.
They're
yeah, you
eating
push to have it.
animals
Correct.
also, no?
Because they wanted to sell more milk.
They targeted athletes and stuff.
Bro, you
At least I
take-
don't think so nowadays they're drinking milk. They drink almond milk and milk and almond milk is there's no milk content in it.
That not those vegan guys will drink almond milk.
Bro, I think that they have their argument right, bro. I mean, I'm not trying to support them because they're telling don't kill animals and all. That's, I'm
Yeah,
not, I am telling in terms of health is there.
Right.
No, but makes sense, no?
They are rabbits.
Hey.
I didn't understand.
They walk on 4 legs, Ra. We walk on 4 legs. I'll tell Ra. Hey.
No, I didn't understand what he told.
Mammals.
Oh.
In that case, but
I support cannibalism. Sir, this thing.
no, there's nothing wrong in that. The thing is about this milk only. It is completely fake, is what I feel. We've been
They've been pushed to. I know that.
So then what's the alternative?
people drink. I mean, for example, if you go drink, have you drank it literally the OG milk? From the cow? It will fucking stink basically.
Yeah, I know.
People.
But they,
So in that KMF opposite college, they pasteurize the milk. Pasteurize meaning simple, but one essential hormone is required for the body. They take it off from that milk. So what you're drinking is literally liquid, not milk. Understood?
So it's better if
To
you
drink?
directly drink.
By chance, if you can get something called as colostrum. You know what colostrum is? When the cow gives birth to the calf, the first initial days it gives something called as colostrum. They collect that milk. Okay? If you can get access, they make a lot of things. If you can take that milk and drink it, obviously boil and drink it, that is much more healthier. Your gut will superb. Your muscles and all will recover
why
fast.
are supposed to like boil it nicely, right?
So wait,
Nice in the sense it's good enough.
Salmonella.
Huh?
Salmonella.
Yeah, what's that?
It's that bacteria that can kill humans.
I don't think so, bro.
It
You
does.
will anyways boil it. Obviously not drinking it raw.
Yeah, but when you're buying from factories like Nandini and all, you don't have to boil it because they already pasteurize it.
Exactly.
so but I heard milk should get processed a little bit before we drink it.
They
I
process
hope.
it in the factory itself.
These people only will tell.
They heat it up to 75 degrees.
That we know, Appa, you don't tell. I know you're from, I know you're from Vaishnav.
I'm asking.
I know that you're seeing KMF daily. Yes, you know better. Correct.
I'm asking.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to KMF. Come on.
It's not true. Huh? It should be processed.
I'm telling him. I gave you a reason, right?
Bro, that guy comes, bro. Those guys who give
Vegan
raw
thing.
milk.
Oh.
Those guys who give come, yeah.
Yeah. I know. You'll have to keep that muscle. Yeah. That only is good actually. That only is good. You will see your muscle recovering faster. You won't feel sore for a long time.
It's
You'll
good
recover
to
very
have more
fast.
protein in it.
More protein. A lot of essential things are there.
You need whey protein. King is it.
What do you take? It's good. You don't
He
take
takes raw protein naturally.
that creatine.
Creatine. That fellow bought me a dabba recently.
So
I
creatine
said.
don't take, sir. Actually, I'm telling you.
He
Bought
bought
it a
me.
myth also. But till
Okay,
now,
da.
all my friends who have taken creatine I've seen,
Hair thinning,
hair is
sir.
gone. Hair is
Yeah,
gone.
bro.
And then they're telling
Joe Rogan only pushes it. No?
Very able.
But that guy is bald.
they
Yeah.
take and come scientific researches, nothing happens, they tell. But I don't know what research they've done. My friends are balding.
Yeah, I know that.
And one guy, he didn't saturate it with enough water.
Kidney gone, huh?
They did what is it, autopsy or biopsy, I don't know, whatever. They did that and they took that out something.
So I heard kidney stones are like very, very painful.
It is.
Especially
But-
for guys.
It is, but it can be cured, no? Drink water.
If it comes
Yeah,
from outside, if it's like too big means it's messed up. My uncle, I
You
like,
can still blast it.
yeah, you can laser
But it
blast.
should come out through your. This
Take
thing.
in. You drink good amount of water, you don't form on it.
Yeah, that is there, but I'm telling.
Yeah, it has. People usually prefer the
You really
laser
have to
surgery.
be
Right?
there.
But it still comes out of your.
No. They blast it. I mean, they take it off.
Laser blast.
Yeah. Either they blast it and it comes out, or they the small, or they open it up and they take it.
You can't open through.
There are two
put it
stones,
through.
bro.
You don't know where the
Gallbladder also they remove the same way. Gallbladder stones also they remove the same way. They put a small slit they put. You want to need to stitch that. Like regular, they'll put a band-aid and 2 weeks keep the band-aid on and it will heal. Regular skin healing it happen. There'll be a very small, it will be in millimeters basically. They'll take it off and they'll take it. Gallbladder is it's so big, the organ.
But it hurts inside the kidney. It's too much.
Okay,
After.
I am thinking water, don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Mass by volume percentage, right? Left hand side, M by V to the left hand side equals. This is simple because the question only says it. M means what? In this case, mass. Mass of the hotel on top. Solute. Guys, 1 second. Has to be in grams. Okay. By
Volume
of
Volume of solid
percentage symbol meaning
into 100.
So this is ml or liter?
gram ಅನ್ನೋದು ml ತಾನೆ.
That's why.
ಏನು percent ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾನು
It's not so 1000 ml is there or something or
anything ml.
only for molarity and molarity it's constant.
1 because the word per is there.
So what is the relation?
It's very easy chapter.
Bro, Prajit is studying.
No, my teacher is actually last year she was pregnant till she thought.
Bro, everyone is pregnant, bro.
This I don't know.
I don't know. Something is happening. They're calculating timings and they're like
What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡವನೆ?
correctly before exam she left off.
What do you mean calculating, bro?
Yeah, family planning.
That has different meaning.
It's the same
Same.
thing, ra.
It's the same.
Family planning is different.
I have no family, no plan.
No,
Okay.
family planning is like blocking your reproductive system from working.
What?
Yeah.
Bro, what you are telling?
What? Blocking?
See here, bro.
So then you can-
There'll be the tubes.
Arey, bro, I understood.
They'll cut and.
That vasectomy, tubectomy.
Yeah. That is called family planning. This is different.
Bro, so.
He meant in a geography way. You guys actually in biology way.
Go and talk to anyone.
Geography in terms of place and all this.
My area, one dog was roaming. They told catch and do family planning for it.
Was the dog some person, no?
I'm like, what are you going to do? They're going to cut it.
Yeah, that, this I know. 10th ano you have.
That is the basic meaning. See, no family planning. I got article.
Can't produce kids. That's the ring of family planning according to the
Yeah.
government rules.
Once the thing is vasectomy or tubectomy is
Obviously, no. They're cutting off the tube, bro.
you can't
push. They cut and then tie it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't
ಇದೇನ್ ಗಿಲ್ಸಿಕದ ನಾನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Imagine regretting after you do it.
I don't think people will. I mean, will actually. I don't think so.
After that they don't do.
They do it before that. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
This is the phrase. Think of this. 20 grams of whom? NaOH in 100 Why 110? Percentage symbol is there. Okay, 100 what? ml no of solution. Sorry. That's the base.
The NaOH is also this thing. It's a liquid, right? No.
It can also be base, alkaline base. Can be sort of powder. You've not seen the powder at all. Base.
Oh, sodium hydroxide. Yeah, I've seen.
So only thing
They use it for drain cleaner.
it's there only in my lab.
Correct. That is, you mix that with.
That is dilute NaOH.
Correct. You get the thing that will be that white upper. See, you call it white upper, then they'll write NaOH.
Solid NaOH.
And it will be usually in terms of powder. It looks like whey protein only actually.
No, it looks like creatine more like.
Because of the color.
Looks nice.
Take it off.
Copper sulfate. You've seen it looks very tasty. I don't know. It looks appetizing.
Copper is like pinkish color.
No, that thing is blue color. Crystal is blue.
Next.
Sorry, sir. I forgot, sir. I didn't know.
Sir, what color is the copper?
Copper sulfate, I've not seen one.
Sir, one thing I can go to Omega.
Sir, bring to my.
One second.
So yellow, that's yellow. What do
If
you
you asked me,
What do you tell me?
Yellow.
Shut the, sir,
Sir,
what do you see? What do
Yellow.
you
Sir,
Shut up and
hey,
tell
how
me.
will he describe that? For him, what shade?
Bro,
is he
black or
considering?
white? She should tell.
No, you see, color blind people they can't differentiate what is black, what is white, or not. For them, everything is lighter shades of grey.
Are you serious right now? No.
Oh, you're not that. much
Okay, then
colorblind.
what is it? What is it?
I am type 2 colorblind. I can't see shades of green.
Green. Oh,
Green.
my friend has green and blue. My friend comes.
What can you
He
see?
calls this. No, this is blue. No, he'll tell it's green.
For me, it's the same thing.
This is green.
Yeah, for me, it's the blue.
I think you shouldn't call them colorblind. They're
Oh, so
seeing it
blue?
differently.
That is called as colorblind. only.
But
Blue
that's
also,
like
yeah.
offending. No.
I don't think they're
Black.
So
See, it's too cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's very cool.
Seeing different
Whomever I told, they talk to me for 25 minutes. Oh, what do you see?
Then you see a swimming pool, you see green water.
That is not shade of, that is light blue. We mucked up the color. Telling, okay, in swimming pool, water is light blue.
So what do you actually see?
Because I mucked up, I can't remember what I actually see right now. So, okay, blue. Understood what I mean?
Sir, and this one 20 grams of NaOH and 100 ml.
Of solution, of solvent.
100 ml is fixed.
Yeah. Hey, not fixed. Percentage symbol was there.
So it's
100.
Oh.
Next, we'll write this. I mean, this was simple, no? Okay, look at this. M by M percentage it is. Let's define it. Both of them means a mass. On top, mass of whom?
Solute.
By mass of
Solution.
Hey.
Solvent.
solvent. Percentage meaning
100.
Right there.
It's only mass percentage.
Yeah, or mass by mass. Both of them are correct. Okay, so obviously will be in gram, it's also will be in grams. Two things are the same, mass by mass percentage or mass percentage, both of them mean the same thing. Let's speak of the face. 20% M by M NaOH.
Sir, there's no treatment for color.
Glasses are there.
The yellow glass you were wearing first year. No, this guy was telling.
That cuts down the intensity of light, which is good, or else it'll get worse in mine.
Yeah.
The thing is, I won't get to know if it's getting worse now, because anyways I can't see. So it may
Light
be
has effect, like it affects you or something.
light, no, bright light, obviously UV.
That is only for people of migraine.
This also, I'm telling no, it won't affect me. Yeah, it'll start getting
Rather
worse.
headache.
Headache won't get, but it'll get worse. I used to have power, now I don't have. So
It's better than blue screen glasses.
100%.
Yeah.
Because you're seeing in one monotone. Full anything, you're wearing water, I'm seeing in one monotone. So there's no change only for the eye, you know. The moment you remove it, it'll be like, oh wow. But till then it's,
So blue screen glasses actually work.
I don't know.
So you buy clothes on your own leg.
I don't buy clothes only, in the sense same color. Just go look only in the black and white section and get it off. I'm not going to other sections only, no. So just like you guys have kids section, that section, this section, for me only black and white section. And the place where I buy clothes, he doesn't show me any other color. Like, you came out of it.
Where you were?
But you were wearing blue the other day.
Not mine.
Blue shirt.
Not mine. That's KK's. You might have
Size
bought.
fits. Sir.
So his arms are only like this big.
I'm not of that.
Yeah, that's
No,
what.
That's what. Yeah.
you're not broader. You're broader.
My shirt size is 42.
He's like more bigger.
This is big. Shoulder up.
Oh.
Biceps are different. We'll define this. What does this mean? 20 grams of NaOH in
100 ml of
100. Hey,
1,000 grams.
100 grams of
1,000 also.
percentage.
So what?
Percentage means 100.
This 100 ml.
Gram.
The previous one.
Yeah, 100 ml. Percentage you see it's always with the
Yeah.
100. Yeah. You know the 7th and
7th.
Yeah.
This was in 7th.
This came last
Percentage.
year and it
percentage.
Percentage is there, sir, but this is.
Percentage meaning what number?
COVID back.
Into 100.
That's all.
Into 100, okay, understood now. I actually understood.
100 grams of solvent.
Sir, what you did now?
You all got
Lockdown what part? Then we're going also.
With who were you? Only you were living with KK, no? That time also. Then peace only.
I was not at home, basically roaming everywhere.
COVID was meant for population control.
Super. Control.
Yeah, but it had reverse.
You can control.
It
Keep
reciprocated.
people at home. Are you serious?
It reciprocated, I think.
Yes. Over to this.
Chinese people tough.
Next. Volume by volume.
So it's increasing again, it seems.
What, va?
It will increase, but
Population,
it won't kill.
COVID.
Yes.
But this time I don't think some people will talk about scam
I
again.
know he was talking about population.
Yeah, I told you.
No, it won't kill because we're immune to it.
I'm not immune to
If
it.
it came and went, you're
Ah,
immune to it.
yeah, I know.
Bro, I didn't
But
even
whoever
take the
put
vaccine.
vaccine are getting.
Don't put vaccine.
Yeah, don't put vaccine.
Truth it is. You put vaccine $2.
0 dose.
My friend's mom, she put she had this very fluctuating BP. I'm not even kidding.
Cardiac arrest.
39 years old she was. She didn't have cardiac. BP shot up, night she dead. BP shot up, that's all.
So you heard
It's big
our
area.
10th grade math teacher died, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Last year. I think
Yeah.
it was because of.
A lot of people.
So
KK's dad passed away because of that only. Yeah.
Yeah, luckily in my school there was this vaccine
Campaign,
for COVID.
yeah.
I had fever 2 days ago. My dad was like after
Don't go.
50. Yeah. Luckily I didn't
From
take
your
it. I was,
I didn't take it.
My
My
other
friend,
didn't say that time, so they didn't.
my friend took it. His mom passed away. No, this fellow after taking the vaccine got COVID. Till now he suffers from it. All skin patches he gets. Till now.
They did it in an emergency. They didn't see how it will
Obviously, no.
Yeah.
all the brands, like Coke.
Every brand.
You saw that magnetic intensity.
Intense.
Magnetic intensity.
So,
Galaxies.
what is telling that?
Oh, people who
Magnetic
put
energy.
then a beam came on Instagram. People who put vaccine are magnetic.
Actually, what?
Sir, that was actually capping. You are not magnetic. Suddenly magnetic. That means you are walking, you should listen to electricity.
Robo.
There's literally sticking plates on the.
You tried that?
No.
Sir, by the way, I learned something. These ghosts have a magnetic field or something. I don't know.
K2 meter is called as they can.
Yeah. That's
How,
why
how
your,
do ghosts have
that's
that?
why your light was fluctuating.
That I know. Nelson keeps telling every night before I come. You can listen to the gate sound, okay? Like when I open. You'll be like from that gap. By the time I go to the third floor, some random people will be passing near the door. It tells.
Oh, that feeling.
No, you'll be looking like PC like this. Door is open. Something is moving. You'll be like from that time you come. I'll time. Let's say when I walk slowly, I'll take 2 minutes. In this 2 minutes, you see 3 times. Chuck, it moves.
Bro, my mouth was.
Bro,
Like that, I'm actually seeing it's been some time.
So,
New house. It's like it's brand new house, sir.
brand new for you, huh?
No, it's like built recently.
Wasn't there anything there before? There was something, no?
Then they
demolished
destroyed it.
it, yeah. I know.
Gardens is like completely haunted. I swear to God, actually. I think it's mostly this British guys only.
Petty crew are not staying.
So it's kind of nice listening to that stories and all.
ನೀನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ.
That's dopamine.
Correct, pa. You see, night 3 o'clock, something passing like this, dopamine will get properly.
That is adrenaline.
Adrenaline. Correct. Ultimately, I'll tell you why I feel that night before I was working. No, I was completely frustrated. YouTube I opened. I was watching this Raja Saab teaser. It's a horror film. 10 times I watched it. Oh, it came out. Wow, what a horror teaser. The light is flashing.
Ghost was also giving review. Hey, Sama Padappa.
Oh, Prabhas.
So I saw that movie you told. I told you, no? Demonte.
What do you call it? Yeah, right, Allah.
What movie? I watched with my sister.
Yo, middle of
They want to party.
Part one is like
very good.
Part 2 is more thriller. It's
Yeah.
not horror, it's thriller. Part 1 ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು Part 2 is boring. Hey, I like it. That's because you expected a horror in Part 2. No? I just went there.
Part 3 is coming now.
Part 1 ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು?
Bro, the most scariest scene was his fourth.
Sir, call is coming.
Shut up and keep it.
His fourth friend is still with him, and a call comes that he's dead.
They'll see that thing on the TV now. How is that? Tell?
Don't spoil. Don't spoil it.
One. Guys, volume. In this case, it will be in ml. Right there. It's important.
Why those kinds of movie don't click?
It worked very well.
Yeah.
Oh, super well.
But he's comparing with like movies like KGF or Vikram.
That's the only
Because your crowd wants like mass.
my crowd.
Yeah.
I told you. I told you. Not your.
20 ml of NaOH in solid. How many? It's a percentage. So 100 ml. ml of solid.
So can't be like dissolved.
Yeah.
Bro, what do you see him? Huh? Now he hangs out with people.
Where did it go?
He didn't know you were in SJP.
Who's next? You are next.
You know what it's called as?
Mole fraction.
What the fuck? That symbol X. X.
It looks like
It looks like X, but I drew it in a certain way because of
Maybe it's like.
maybe what? I am only color, but I'm not blind. What's wrong with you? This fellow. X and Y written on obviously. You guys know the name of it?
Eta.
Kyle.
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 It's only mole fraction X.
First she puts MS.
So if I mean Kyle A, it means mole fraction of A.
What?
What?
Sir, I teacher literally
She puts like XA. XA plus XA.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
This also is correct, but this is a lowercase.
She puts that only. But without those side.
No, she makes a big X like that.
So the
XA
The thing
plus
is extended,
XA
huh?
by something.
left side.
Wavy. Let's make it wavy.
Both of them are the same length. Or what?
Anything is fine.
So this only has no units. No?
Yeah, it's a fraction. No? Guys, now listen up. How do we find the value of mole fraction? Listen up. Let's say there are three things here: A plus B plus C. If I ask you what's the total number of moles, you'll find NT equals N of A plus N of B plus N of C. I'll repeat this focus here. NT meaning total number of moles. Okay, number of moles, the total number of moles. Will be given by number of moles of A, number of moles of B plus number of moles of C. Now, when they ask you to find only the mole fraction of XA or Kyle A, it means only focus on A. Getting it? So the numerator will be number of moles of A divided by the total number of moles. I repeat that. Number of moles of A divided by total number of moles. What's the total moles here? Na plus Nb plus Nc. So I write Na plus Nb plus Nc. Now let's try for this. If I ask you chi C, mole fraction of C, which means on top it will be number of moles of which one? C divided by same thing, no? Total. It's always by total. Remember this. So I'll write NT here, but you guys will have the full form. Na plus Nb plus Nc. Now obviously if I add one more T here, it will become plus Nt. Remember that. Okay. So these varieties will be given to us in the question. based on the question, we will try to frame both of them. Also write for XA, XB and XC. All three. Ignore the T here, not required.
So electronics, transistors after that. Bro,
Super important.
nothing I know, bro.
Odu,
Transistors.
odu.
How to study
Emitter, base,
collector?
collector. ಅದರಿಂದ emitter ಬರುತ್ತೆ. CC or CE will come.
C B1, no?
Easy CB.
Only that thing that
CE or CC will come. CC sometimes little surprising will be.
that's hard. I heard.
Hey, ಇಲ್ಲ same.
CE and CE.
CC is ತುಂಬಾ important.
CC
Hey,
is
that's not how you write.
Yeah, bro.
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ.
Yeah, same. In on papers also it's
Are you talking about okay when you're trying to derive it, you write CE like this only.
derive.
Derivation ಅದು. You're supposed to derive based on. We're supposed to draw the circuit.
Yeah, that
Based on that, derive something.
the
condition, the
V2
condition.
and all. So that V2I and all.
Yeah, correct. That's the condition no, based off CE. So for common emitter, hey, if they're giving you common emitter, they'll print like this only. But numericals, you write CE equals whatever data.
Which one is more important? CE.
CE only more important.
CE.
Yeah, but CC is like a surprise. CB never been asked to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, CB ಬರದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
And what more
That
is
is because CB is very simple. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಎಲ್ಲ 000.
what more is important? Transistors. What after that?
You tell me the order of it and tell you.
After class I'll choose it.
That you're learning that bipolar junction transistor only, no?
BJT.
BJT. FET?
I don't know. I think we have a
FET also is there, no? FET, yeah.
Yeah, right. That also comes, no?
In this one, she's telling it's 5 marks.
What is
The
that?
alien surface derivation.
Right.
This one is 5 marks.
We did that, see. If I come there only, that's very like. Next time, right? But then adana, useless
No,
fellow.
one second.
Guys, this is most important. XA plus XB plus XC, the sum of all the mole fractions will always be equal to 1. Remember that.
How?
That's the logic, that's the probability.
So,
Sum of all the probabilities.
There's a constant for moles, no? 6.023 into 10.
He's not telling like that. It's fraction.
Fraction. So cancel that.
No units.
So it will be 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. If you add up everything, it should be 1.
How many marks is this chapter coming for?
Solution numerical 3 marks will come.
That's all.
So,
One 2 marker question and one MCQ will come. 2 MCQs will come. Approximately 6 to 7 marks will come. You
And
get
one
it
2
like
marker.
1 2 marker, 2 MCQs or 1 MCQ, that depends.
Maybe they told this one or one comment.
But without this you can't solve.
Yeah, she told, what is it? She was shouting, man.
Vapor pressure.
Colligating, she was shouting.
Colligator only vapor pressure. Freezing point, boiling point.
Is vapor pressure and
TB
vapor
delay.
density similar?
Yeah, they're similar but not the same.
TB not.
TF, TF not.
So the way they're doing organic in college, they're pushing that it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard.
Yeah, they think
That
study or real.
every 2
Yeah.
sentences they're telling it's hard.
It's hard for her, she's telling
That's not right.
No,
So,
it's not that I'm doing
I
stuff.
fix my mind, I'm not listening to whatever she's yapping in class. I come here, I listen. Over there, I can't.
You are busy there, 2 girls.
Sir,
Okay,
I'm
three.
sitting in with boys, sir.
Don't lie
Here
that.
we have to sit separate. Girls and boys cannot sit together.
What backward college also is there?
Yeah, it is.
Chain together.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like you have a choice. We don't sit separately. What the fuck, man? Come on.
See,
Very,
sir,
very,
we
very,
shouldn't
very.
sit in the same bench, but we can sit in the same row back.
That makes sense. I understood that. Why not in the same bench? What happened?
I don't know. They think we are dating if we sit in the same bench.
Let them
Bro,
think.
the scenes happen in our college. You
Yeah.
didn't know.
Either the students are bloody going over the crazy part, but
Yeah, that only is
Yeah, they are
happening.
doing
That's why the arrows.
They're
What
doing
the fuck, man?
It seems last time someone got into court and shit. Some 2O section.
What into?
Yeah.
Court and shit.
Court.
Yeah. They took him.
Bro, you guys are under 18, bro. You will go to juvenile only.
Still he went to
Bro,
court.
he went to court. They filed a case against him. He was 18, I think, that time.
He was second PU when I was in first PU.
What was the kiss for?
Some
was
girl
touching
shit.
people.
Rapist.
It seems
was
all
touching
girls
and,
together went and
which-
complained. What is it?
Mithun.
Bro, that guy, if he touches me, he'll get thrown. This guy is like some block, is like one whole unit. Recently, one guy, now,
What is
he was
the
taking pictures of teachers, it seems.
That was like,
Female teachers. Okay, father held this collar and asked, like, why do you do this? Like, Joshi held the collar. That guy asked the father, hey,
bro? Some scenes from our father also is there. The current race.
Our
father is there.
Hey, you're not his father. This guy, Cotton's father.
My father is a father. No, Ellie church Ellie.
This guy, Cotton's father is very naughty.
What? Shut the fuck up. Very naughty it seems.
Sir, newspaper, you don't read. Why chances are against it?
What do you mean naughty da?
That's what I mean. What you're thinking only.
Okay. Important concept. I don't know what to explain to you.
Parts per million he
Oh, yeah, parts of millions. Sorry.
Parts.
Race,
He
area.
But it's very important.
Something will come right. Parts per million.
It's not important.
Like one numerical algorithm, but you'll be able to figure it out. Guys, this also is mass. Okay, listen here. Top mass of water. Mass of solute by mass of
So you want solvent.
what was that happening into parts per million. Million is nothing but 10 power 6. Usually we multiply by 100. Here we multiply by 10 power 6. That's all. Now obviously mass will be in grams and grams. He's very fast there.
Kid here. She's pregnant.
That is math. Yes, math is same.
Sir, but after her child, like she gave birth, she became very, like, really kind to us.
Oh fuck.
Before that, she was like very strict with us last year.
So
She
you're
was
very
very
thankful, no?
You know, one like she'll rub off the board and go. I didn't get it. It's fine. She'll rub off the board. This much I will have the space to copy later. She came and gave me detention till 4:30. I was asking doubt. That time she saw. She's like, show me notes.
Detention thing is very popular in Nepal.
They can't do anything else. If we do anything
Yeah.
else, we'll give a complaint. No?
Correct. Father is naughty. Father is naughty.
Not.
I have not heard one person tell like this. Father is naughty is telling. Jay, stop doing this. Then.
I meant
Yeah, I understood.
not apples.
20 grams of NaOH. Million meaning in 10 power 6 grams of solvent.
This is used in the medicine bottle. DPL. She was shouting, sir, that time. Fluoride will be this much. This too much.
In
Will become,
toothpaste.
you'll become yellow. Like your teeth will become yellow.
You won't become yellow, obviously. That's it. You're becoming. John does it fun. None of this.
Actually, people turn yellow. I've never seen people become yellow.
Don't go near them.
Sir,
Look it up.
if they become
No.
yellow, they'll post up on Insta. Golden hour.
Golden Ara. Sunkist.
That's what. Sunkist, man.
That. Intera jokes ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, so vapor pressure. What did you guys understand with this concept, vapor pressure?
College.
So,
You understand?
so vapor.
Understand?
You close the vessel,
Hey, you should have closed the vessel. This
or some distance you put.
So pressure of the
is
vapor.
regular beaker
Okay.
where I'm gonna fill some random liquid.
Yeah.
Random, either water or alcohol or anything. Correct? Look.
Sir, that's what.
Yeah, the vapor causes.
Heat it and all.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಾಗ?
So
Nothing heating, nothing pushing. What is the meaning of vapor pressure in regular terms? You tell me. What is it?
Pressure exerted by a vapor.
Wow! You just tweeted not the same answer. Pressure exerted by the vapor. Now see, So what happens here is
Is it wrong?
obviously
Yeah, I think it is.
pressure exerted on vapor when?
Exerted by the vapor.
When? On what?
When there is vapor,
On the
there is a
beaker.
pressure exerted.
And the walls of the beaker.
No. Listen now. So basically, some random liquid. The liquid will have something called as atoms, molecules, all these stuffs are there. But the placement of the molecule is very important. Now, I'll talk about one, which is literally inside the specific liquid. I'll talk about few more, which is there on the surface of the liquid. Okay? There have been millions and millions of atoms here and molecules. I'm going to talk about few of them. Few of them are on the surface. Few of them are there. I mean, one of them is there inside. Now, what's the difference? Here, if you see, this specific molecule or whatever the specific concept is will experience force from all the four directions. Okay, north, east, west, south. So now what happens? All of them get cancelled with each other. So this with this with this. In simple language, there's a balanced act here. Okay, there's a balanced act. Now think about the same thing from this perspective. Right now, do you think there'll be force from all the places? Obviously no. So here there's an unbalanced act. Ain't okay? No. Now what happens? Wherever vapor is there, always understand it depends directly on something called as temperature. Fine. Now, unbalanced meaning in other synonyms, less stable. Agree? That's the meaning of unbalanced. Stability is less. Fine. Now, what is the chemistry meaning of less stable? If whatever in chemistry is less stable, it always means it has more energy. Understood? You've seen these people, they keep jumping from one thing to another thing. They are called to be unstable or less stable. And why are they jumping? Because they have more amount of energy. When you think of this specific balanced force, it is already stable. If something is stable, energy is there, but it is not as high as this specific concept. Any doubt in now? No. Now it has high energy. Any person or anything with high energy will always find a way to use it. Now, here, these parts cannot use it because they do not have so much of energy. The ones which are there on the surface ones, they'll have to use energy. How will they use it? They'll start jumping towards the walls of the container like this. Getting it? Like this or like this and all these things. Whatever direction it feels like. Nobody can draw that direction because it has more energy. No. By the time you try to trace this path, it will jump from here to here, from there to there. It keeps happening here. Fine. Now, during this jumping, what's happening? Currently, it is in the liquid phase. During the jumping with so much amount of pressure, with so much amount of energy, sometimes it tends to hit the vapor phase. Sometimes. Now, is it all the time? No. Liquid to pressure it goes. Because it has so much of energy, it also comes back from vapor to liquid. So this is a reversible process which is happening very simultaneously. Why is it happening? Because it has more amount of energy. Now, during this change here, that is when vapor pressure can be experienced. Okay? If it is regularly at the liquid phase, cannot be experienced. Only during this change from liquid to vapor or from vapor to liquid, it starts experiencing some kind of pressure. This pressure applied is called as vapor pressure. That's it. Now applied on the whom? Either the walls of the container or on the top. If I cover the top, yes. If I do not cover the top, on the wall of the container. That's it.
So how will it just come from liquid to vapor? Just like that?
More amount of energy, meaning it is moving faster. If it is moving faster, it has more energy. More energy will contribute to something called as heat. Correct?
Aren't they boiling it?
They are boiling it also. Temperature are providing it, but little. So basically, I am constantly giving it more energy to jump more. So if it is jumping more, it has heat with it. It has temperature because of the temperature here. Since it's jumping, sometimes it goes to vapor phase called as evaporation. It comes back sometimes called as condensation. So evaporation, condensation is happening simultaneously. During this concept, it is applying pressure. That concept there is called as evaporation. If it is not able to reach this phase, it is impossible to apply evaporation. Remember this.
So that middle part is called from liquid to vapor.
From liquid to vapor.
What does it apply?
Wall of the container. Beaker.
So it's partly correct.
You should talk about the force here. What's the cause of it? It is applying pressure, correct, but what's the cause? How is it happening, the mechanism? Okay, so draw that balanced thing, balanced entity, and the other one is unbalanced. Unbalanced meaning less stable, no?
With the beaker?
With the beaker. Unbalanced meaning less stable meaning more energy. More energy meaning it has to spend it, it will start jumping from one end to another end. Don't draw too many dots, keep it minimalistic. both sides. Doesn't matter about same response.
So the balanced one has more or less energy.
Less energy
The
compared to this one because that's
enough
why-
energy or less energy?
That's why it's balanced. Stoic. I'm serious. This is called stoic. I mean, sorry.
Stoic.
Stoic.
That's what stoicism.
I'm telling stoic. It's
Stoic.
stoic. It's stoic.
Oh, sorry. Stoic. Stoicism.
Stoicism.
Stoic.
You see that guy's thing, and ran holiday.
Used to.
It's nice.
It's good. Very calm guy. I like Mark Manson more.
Oh, bro,
Doesn't
crazy.
give a fuck
Guy.
about anything else.
I follow him. His
Yeah.
things are like amazing. It is.
It's good.
I like. That's the only guy I like.
There are so many. I like someone else.
He's business guy. This guy is like everywhere.
Philosopher is.
His YouTube videos I've seen. It's nice.
I like his hairstyle for some reason. Very nice series. Mark Manson. Subtle art of not giving a fuck. What is that book about?
I want that book, actually.
Bro, it's a nice book.
They tell, like, there's another book, it seems. You shouldn't read that book, it seems. If you read it, your perspective of the world changes.
This is good not to read.
No,
Every book, bro.
you'll never stop seeing in that way. It's
I know.
That's
so
good.
it's like there's once you read it, there's no going back. People are regretting reading that book.
Which book, Ra?
I forgot the name.
So the one you told, Many Like Many Masters. I downloaded the PDF. I put it to charge.
It changes the way how people see you. It seems.
I'll have to read.
Emotion can't be converted to way.
See, it's there. I read kind of the thing it gave. It told each and every lifetime of that
Good.
person. Bro, in Earth only everything goes on. Earth. Only.
Oh, like that is a difficult thing.
Yeah, that was something I wanted.
It's directly proportional.
Depends on character.
You think how that is
Directly
true?
proportional.
Guys, few points. We'll finish off. First point. Minimum pressure exerted. By the vapor. I just not told what? Minimum I told. Sorry.
Maximum pressure.
Maximum pressure exerted by a vapor in equilibrium with liquid. That's it. Next class, I'll finish on the theory part of this.